This is a 2019 Toyota Tacoma SR5 V6 with the TSS off-road package. It's got the dark window tint and the NITTO all-terrain TERRA GRAPPLER tires, 265/65/17 with the black rims. You also have the black running boards here. It's got the gray cloth with black interior accents. A locking glove box with the owner's manual inside there. You have the AM, FM radio, CD player, USB ports, Bluetooth, auxiliary port, heated side mirror, single zone climate control. There's a 12-volt outlet, little storage. There's your cup holders, some more cup holders here. Seats fold up and they have a storage unit underneath. There's your jack and all that. The other side does the same as well. It's got the LED bed lights. Got a black exhaust tip. Backup camera. There's your tow package. You'll find all the options online in the comment section, but you'll also see them here. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Has auto high beams. $17,329 miles. This one also has the pre-collision system as well as lane departure alert. And there's the buttons for those. You got your Bluetooth and cruise control. You have your daytime running lights and your headlight switch here. There's your wipers. Backup camera. Traction control. Here's a little sunglass holder. You have illuminated entry. A manual sliding rear glass.